Are you planning to get a budget tablet below 400 ringgit and currently looking at the iPad mini one? If so, I wouldn't really recommend it because you can get a better tablet at that price point. Without further ado, let me explain why. The iPad mini final iOS update will be 9.3.5 and it will no longer support newer updates from Apple. This means there will be a lot of applications that are incompatible if this is your first iOS device, such as YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Microsoft Teams, Google Meet, and more. But the good news is, there is a workaround for this, which is by using a browser. For example, in this video, I will use Safari and search for YouTube. Then, tap on the share icon and choose Add to Home Screen. Rename it to your preference and tap Add. This is a quick workaround if you do not own any newer iOS device. However, if you own a newer iOS device connected to the same Apple ID, this wouldn't be a problem because you can update to the latest compatible applications via the Purchase tab. From here, you can download most of the applications that are not compatible from the Feature tab by tapping on the Download Last Compatible Version. As the first iPad mini, it is no surprise that this tablet takes a while to load things up. Well, it still can get things done, but you will need to be patient. Yes, iOS devices are very well known for their resale value. This is why you still can find a used iPad mini one with reasonable condition on Shopee at about 300 ringgit depending on the specifications. Looking at the price-performance ratio, I wouldn't get this because you can get a better and newer tablet, such as the Amazon Fire HD 8, which I feel it is really underrated. The Amazon Fire HD 8 is slightly more expensive, which is priced around 340 to 380 ringgit, but it is a new device with more storage of at least 32 GB, much faster loading time, and no issues on downloading the latest application. Do note that this is my Amazon Fire HD 8, the 8th generation, and it is not the latest 10th generation that you see on Lazada and Shopee at this point of time, as I bought this few years back. To wrap this up, if you are looking to get a budget tablet below 400 ringgit for online meeting, YouTube, Netflix, social media, or for your kids' online class, my suggestion is to go for the Amazon Fire HD 8 instead of the iPad mini one for a better overall experience. Thank you for watching my first video, and if you like this video, I appreciate if you can hit the like button. Till then, I hope to see you again in my next video.